In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename columns in Google Sheets. Renaming columns is a simple way to keep your spreadsheet organized and easy to understand, especially when you're working with a lot of data or sharing it with others. Clear column names make it obvious what each column represents, which helps prevent mistakes later on. First, open your Google Sheet in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have the sheet you want to edit already open. You'll see the familiar grid of cells, and at the very top of each column, you'll notice the letters A, B, C, and so on. These letters are column labels, but they are not the actual names of your columns. Your column names are usually in the first row of your data, often row 1. To rename a column, start by locating the current header cell for that column. This is typically the top cell that describes what's in that column, like name, email, or total. Click once on that header cell to select it. You'll see a blue outline appear around it. Now, double-click on that same cell. When you double-click, the cell will switch into editing mode, and your cursor will appear inside the text. At this point, you can use the backspace or delete key to remove the existing text, or simply place the cursor where you want to make a change. Type in the new column name you want to use. Try to keep it short but descriptive. For example, instead of something vague like data, you might use monthly sales or customer ID. Clear names will make sorting, filtering, and analyzing your data much easier. Once you've typed your new name, press Enter on your keyboard. This will save the change and exit the editing mode. You'll see the updated column name displayed in that header cell. If you need to adjust it again, just repeat the same process. Click, double-click, edit, and press Enter. If you're renaming multiple columns, move across the row and follow the same steps for each header. Take a moment to scan your headers afterward to make sure everything is spelled correctly and consistently formatted. This is especially important if you use functions, filters, or pivot tables that depend on those headers. And that's all there is to it. By editing the header cells in your first row, you've successfully renamed your columns in Google Sheets and made your spreadsheet much easier to work with.